Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to zip or unzip a file or folder in Windows 11. So guys, there are some method to zip or unzip to file or folder. Couple of method. One of them, like you want to make zip for these all files. So select all, then right click on anywhere. Then you will see WinRAR and click on add to archive. And here guys you have three options: archive format. So select zip, give your name, then click on OK. So now we have this all files in this zip folder. There is the icon for zip folder, we can see here zebra icon. And to unzip this folder, so just right click on it and you have to extract all. You have to click here extract all, and once you hover WinRAR, so you will see these all options. So just click on it, then click on extract. So you can unzip this one. So this is the way guys you can zip or unzip file or folders in Windows 11, and you don't have the WinRAR software in your PC or laptop. So check out videos in my channel. I will show the how to download and install WinRAR to your PC. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not. By the simple steps we can know how to zip or unzip a file or folder in Windows 11. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.